Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If you are trying to log in to Rockstar Games and keep getting blocked by the "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time" error, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to fix the system settings and account links causing this so you can get back to your games immediately. Let's get started. First, go to your computer's main settings by pressing the Windows key and I together. Tap on Time and Language, and then select Date and Time. Make sure the Set Time Automatically switch is turned on. Select your correct local time zone from the drop-down menu and click Sync Now. This step is crucial because an incorrect system clock causes security authentication issues with the Rockstar Games launcher, which will instantly block your login attempt. If you don't see it in this section, then simply type Date and Time into your main Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen to jump straight to the menu. Next, open your web browser and go to rockstargames.com. Look for the profile icon to sign in, then navigate to your account settings and select Linked Accounts. Simply click Unlink next to your connected Xbox, PlayStation, or Google account, and then instantly relink it. Doing this forces the Rockstar servers to refresh your account connection, clearing out any lingering login glitches or broken authentication tokens. Finally, open your active VPN application or Windows network settings. Look for the main connection toggle on your dashboard. Simply turn off your VPN completely before trying to log in to the Rockstar launcher again. Rockstar's security system frequently flags VPN IP addresses as suspicious, and having one running in the background will consistently trigger this exact error message. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.